All right, everybody. Welcome back to the last video on cleaning the chassis. Let's get 25 through 48 cleaned up. All right, everybody, 25 through 48 are nice and clean. Got all of our nice dust bunnies out from under there. All the cards are nice and clean. I put a little bit of super glue under this channel marker. We'll see how that holds up in the morning, but you can see all of our dust is now gone around the armrests. Everything's looking really nice. I ran out of little cotton rounds, so I need to get a few more. There's a couple of corners and stuff that I missed that are now, as they dry, are a little bit more evident, but we'll clean that up tomorrow. Here's the back all nice and cleaned. Oops. Here's the back all nice and cleaned. Got the bottom all cleaned up too. These guys were really nasty. But all right, that finishes up the chassis. We've got a few more things to do on this. I just need to see what I can do to fix these channel markers. I'm trying this little bit of super glue there as an experiment overnight with a clamp and a little grip. I'm gonna just got some leather conditioner for the armrest, and then we'll see how that goes. And I gotta figure out some way to clean up these sides. I'm thinking some type of little scrub brush with just some of the regular with just some of the regular cleaner that we've been using, not the alcohol, would do pretty nicely. So hopefully I can get a hold of the moving company this week and we can get this thing home. And if not, we'll just set it off to the side and we will start cleaning channels. But thanks everybody for stopping by. I hope everybody has a great day.